there, what's up, guys? It's Rain, and welcome back for another makeup sessions with me. So, hello and welcome for another Makeup Diaries vlog wherein, siguro, ang tagal na simula nung naggagawa-gawa ako ulit ng makeup because from my previous upload is pa-announce pa akong nalalaman pero sadyang dadalan lang talaga yun. It's like a ano, part of my diary na instead na written form is ginawa ko na lang siyang vlog. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung ang daming dalda ng ate or daming hanas ng ante ninyo. And for today's video is i-recreate ko or gagawin ko ulit ang look na ito. So, ayan. So, I made this look way back in 2024 and I just didn't have the guts to post it online. Kasi, okay, story time, parang, hindi ako confident. Hindi ako confident sa pag-vlog na yan. It has to be, para sa akin it has to be something perfect, yung kagaya ng ginagawa ng mga, nakikita nyo, makeup experts, gurus, or professionals na, sobrang confident nila sa craft nila. And ako kasi, diba, I've been mentioning this a lot of times na hindi ako pro, and at the same time it's just a hobby for me to do makeup or to create looks na I think some people might find it weird yung makeup or eyeshadow combinations na ginagawa ko. So ayun. And before we recreate this makeup look is I just want to thank our generous sponsor or my generous sponsor, Ma'am Jamie. Thank you so much for the gift na binigay mo sa akin, this ring light. Akala ko hindi mo tutuhanin. So, ayun, akala ko biro-biro lang. Pero tinotoo mo, ito may ring light na naman akong panibago. So, thank you so much, Mama Chup Chup. Love you so much. And another thing about this ring light is that bukod sa maliwanag siya, I admit, 'di ba? We can see naman na sobrang liwanag niya. Maliwanag ang buhay. Pero aside sa na sobrang liwanag niya, mukha akong pagod. Tapos parang nakaka-reveal siya ng age. Like, ewan ko nakikita niyo, pero parang parang nako-conscious ako umarap sa inyo. Pero wala naman akong choice dahil nga nasimulan ko na, so kailangan ituloy-tuloy na natin to. And without further ado, let's start! So, ayan, voice over na naman tayo. Hello guys! And the first thing na i-apply natin is yung primer. So, this primer is from Focallure collaboration with Kuromi or Sanrio. And next is our foundation. So, the foundation that we are using today is Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade 115. And yung gagawin natin is a two-step process application. So, one flat foundation brush, and ang gagawin natin dyan is yung foundation brush natin is yun yung pang-apply natin dun sa liquid foundation. And we're going to blend it out using a beauty blender. Next naman is our eyebrows, and we are using two products. One is from Everbilena and the other is a regular eyebrow pencil na mabibili natin sa Shopee. So gently fill in your eyebrows using the eyebrow pencil, and ayan, i-carve nyo yung inyong mga kilay para pack. And once when you're done, i-clean up natin yung eyebrows using a concealer. So this is a dual pencil na may kasama ng concealer pencil, and we'll just blend out yung ating concealer na in-apply using a flat concealer brush. Next is nose contour, and we'll be using Focallure in collaboration with Sanrio contour stick. And make sure to blend the contour well. Next is magbe-bake muna tayo, and I'm using Caroline's Oil Control Loose Powder. So get the right amount of product and then soften the powder sa palms nyo before you bake. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa fun part and I will be using Beauty Glazed Pastel Paradise for my eyeshadow. So first shade or base shade natin sa eyeshadow is like similar to a nude or a flesh color. Get the right amount of product and apply it to your entire lids. Next is the green shades and I'll be choosing this seafoam kind of green. So from the outer corner of your eye, apply the color and move it upwards in circular motions. And whatever is the excess color from the brush, blend nyo siya from your crease towards to your inner corner of the eye. And do the same process dun sa kabilang eye mo. Next color naman is yung apple green color. So, same process earlier is dun ka magsisimula sa outer corner mo and you just have to focus on the little bit inner part nung eye. So, ayan, if mapapansin mo sa video, fino-focus ko lang siya dun sa inner part. And blend lang ng blend until mag-blend siya dun sa first color. And do the same process on the other eye. And this is the first time magka-cut crease ako. So this is a concealer from Squad Cosmetics and in the shade CL2. So using a flat concealer brush, I'm going to apply it in the center of my lids going towards the inner corner of the eye. And then whatever is left dun sa previous eyeshadow brush mo is yun yung pang be-blend mo. Yun nung color and nung concealer. Next shade naman is the blue-green. So, ito yung color na magpapadarken nung outer area or outer corner of your eyelids. So, ayan, focus mo lang siya sa outer corner. Same stroke is circular upwards yung stroke niya. Next naman is the outer corner of our lower lash line and I will be using this flat concealer brush and hindi ito yung ginamit ko kanina sa ating concealer. So, ayan, dating gawi is nilalagay ko lang siya dun sa ilalim. Parang accent lang siya from the total eyeshadow look. Kasi compared to the eyeshadow looks that I've created before, is parang nagdi-deepen yung eyes ko. So, dito hindi naman. Next naman is we're going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. I-a-apply natin tong shimmer shade of brown dito sa center ng ating eyelids going to the inner corner of our eye. Sa previous look kasi hindi shimmer eyeshadow yung ginamit ko, kundi yellow, just a regular matte eyeshadow color. Next is this white pearl and I'm going to use my pinky finger to create that golden or that pearly muta. So, sa part na ito, hindi ko kasi masyado makita yung pigment dun sa purple shade na in-apply natin kanina. So, nagdagdag tayo ng color, which is like a funky purple shade. And we're finalizing this eyeshadow makeup using the Squad Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. Now, using the iGood Co makeup palette, I will be using their blush right here, yung kulay Barbie pink. And apply the color from the apple of your cheeks towards the temple. And let's apply the golden highlighter dun sa ating nose contour. Ayan, so makikita mo medyo nagkaroon siya ng illusion na tumangos ng konti ilong natin. And of course, the pink highlighter para medyo may konting pagka-glowy ang ating skin. Tamang healthy glow lang. And of course, we have to set our face with the powder. Lastly is the lips. So I'm using two shades here. I'm using the Juicy Papaya from Avon and Vice Cosmetics Tint in the shade Ever After, and you're done.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just touching me,